This is a message to all fast-moving customer goods or FMCG companies. That means you Coca-Cola, PepsiCo, Nestle, Unilever, P&G, and so many more companies that deserve to be called out. While you are the largest and most successful FMCGs in the world, you have also been ranked by Statista as the world's top plastic polluters. According to What a Waste 2.0, published by the Urban Development Series, an estimated 2.01 billion tons of municipal solid waste were generated in 2016, and this number is expected to increase by 70% to a record amount of 3.4 billion tons by 2050 under a business-as-usual scenario. This is really a plea. We need you to stop polluting our world and then pushing the problem onto consumers to fix. We are not the ones producing these products, you are. Plastic does not disappear, it does not go away, it does not compost. To properly biodegrade, certain conditions need to be met, which hardly ever occur in landfills. What does happen is the plastic degrades into smaller pieces of plastic that end up in our water supply, at the deepest parts of the ocean, the highest mountains in the world, and even into the placentas of unborn babies. Research has shown that contact with plastic can disrupt hormones to include causing infertility and PCOS. It increases the risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease, as well as impairing immune health due to increased inflammation caused by exposure to microplastics. We can't keep sending plastic into landfills. There is no way when you throw an item away, it goes somewhere, it goes into a landfill near someone's home, or it ends up in rivers and oceans, poisoning nature and local communities, killing animals and humans. We need to stop the production of plastic. We need to change this business as usual scenario. We can do better. You can do better for us. The solutions to these problems aren't to just look to new innovations. New innovations will definitely be healthier and better for the planet in the long term. However, we need to stop ignoring the ways of the past and acting as if we need to reinvent the wheel right now in order to save the world. Supermarkets in the 1940s did not have plastic. Items were packaged in paper, aluminum, or glass, which are infinitely recyclable items. It's time to focus on how these solutions can make a comeback, which will improve today's packaging. Lots of plastic-free brands and companies are popping up with these sustainable values at the core of their business, offering everyday products in glass, aluminum, paper, and bamboo. And if these companies can do it, so can you. Embrace the idea of creating refill options for products. Embrace creating circular economies within your companies and using no packaging if possible. There's a plethora of genius minds out there working to create sustainable alternatives to plastic. These solutions can also be implemented to start making each day a little cleaner than the previous. Be the industry leaders we need you to be. We all depend on you to lead this change. Be in business to change lives for the better. Don't be in business simply to make another dollar.